Interconnection of control unit, ballot unit and VVPAT. This video is prepared and presented by Dr. YP Singh of SR Government Polytechnic College, Sagar, Madhya Pradesh. Disclaimer: this training material is for the use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the ECI guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Ballot unit, control unit and VVPAT. Presiding officer will receive 3 carrying cases having ballot unit, control unit and VVPAT. Under no circumstances, presiding officer will connect BU, CU and VVPAT before mock poll. Ballot unit will connect to VVPAT. Connect cable of ballot unit to backside of VVPAT. VVPAT will connect to control unit. Connect cable of VVPAT to upper backside of control unit. The backside of VVPAT is displayed on the screen. The portion where BU interface is written, the cable of ballot unit will be connected. Ensure that the red and black portions of the connectors should match. Female connector on VVPAT for connecting cable from ballot unit is displayed on the screen. VVPAT cable will be connected to the 9-pin D connector on control unit. The interconnection between ballot unit, VVPAT and control unit is displayed on the screen. Connect cable from ballot unit to ballot unit interface with red and black latches inside connector compartment as shown. The color of the cable connector and interface should match. Close the connector compartment as shown. Connection where one ballot unit is used. Ballot unit will connect to VVPAT. Connection procedure from ballot unit to VVPAT is already explained. VVPAT will connect to control unit. Connection procedure from VVPAT to control unit is already explained. Block diagram of connections from ballot unit, VVPAT, control unit is displayed on the screen. In this diagram, 2 portions A and B is displayed. Portion A is polling officer number 3's table where control unit will be placed. Portion B is voting compartment where VVPAT and ballot unit 1 is placed. Connections where 2 ballot units are used. Second ballot unit will be connected to first ballot unit. First ballot unit will be connected to VVPAT and VVPAT will be connected to control unit. First ballot unit thumb wheel will be on 1. In case of second ballot unit, thumb wheel will be on 2. The portion of thumb wheel on ballot unit is displayed on the screen. Block diagram of interconnection of ballot units, VVPAT and control unit is displayed on the screen. BU2 will be connected to BU1, BU1 will be connected to VVPAT and VVPAT will be connected to control unit. As shown on screen, portion A is polling officer number 3's table where control unit will be placed. Portion B is voting compartment where 2 ballot unit and VVPAT will be placed. Connections where 3 ballot units are used. Third ballot unit will be connected to second ballot unit. Second ballot unit will be connected to first ballot unit. First ballot unit will be connected to VVPAT and VVPAT will be connected to control unit. Block diagram of interconnection of 3 ballot units, VVPAT and control unit is displayed on the screen. Here also You are seeing that 3 ballot units are connected to VVPAT and VVPAT is connected to control unit. Connections where 24 ballot units are used. Maximum of 24 ballot unit can be used. The block diagram of interconnection of 24 ballot units with VVPAT and the connection of VVPAT with control unit is displayed as a block diagram on the screen. Paper roll knob in unlock position. Make sure before using EVM VVPAT, the paper roll knob behind VVPAT should be in unlock, that is vertical position. In this video, we have discussed about interconnection of ballot unit, control unit and VVPAT. If you have any suggestions or doubts regarding this video, please contact through the mail as shown. For more election related videos, please visit the web address as shown. Thank you.